From the QA Archive. Introduction to QA. The test process in context. Testing is never performed in isolation, as they form part of a much larger picture. Testing is, and should be, an integrated part of the software development process within a company. Testing can only happen when funded by the project stakeholders. The goal of testing is ultimately to ensure that all business needs are satisfied.
Testware factors to consider. Stakeholders' needs, expectations, requirements, willingness to cooperate, etc. Team members' skills, knowledge, level of experience, availability, training needs, etc. Business domain, criticality of the test object, identified risks, market needs, specific legal regulations, etc. Technical factors, type of software, product architecture, technology used, etc. Project constraints, scope, time, budget, resources, etc. Organizational factors, organizational structure, existing policies, practices used, etc. Software development lifecycle, engineering practices, development methods, etc. Tools, availability, usability, compliance, etc. End of lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe.